Today we're taking some potting mix to get started planting some veggies in our cups that we are recycling. So this is their fourth turnover. We're going to plant some Swish chard. I call it lettuce. And we're going to plant some radishes. We're going to get them going. And the first thing to do is definitely get some soil in the cups. About halfway is really good in each. And this Miracle Moisture Control potting mix is really good because it's got things like peat moss, and it helps if you forget to water things or if it gets too hot, too quick outside. Okay. And once we have the cups about halfway full with the soil, then we're going to put the seeds in there, and then we'll take them around back to start growing more vegetables in our veggie garden. So we've got 2 recycled containers with lids to control the moisture to help the seeds to germinate. And I'm going to put the Swiss chard in the, I'm going to put that in the red cups. Yeah. So the seeds look really interesting. Like this. Looks like food for chickens. So I'm just putting 2 or 3 in each cup because sometimes things don't sprout. And if they do, great. We'll have more than we need. And hoping for something like Mother's Day or Father's Day, somebody might gift someone else maybe a raised bed planter. And this is what the radish seeds look like. And we're going to put 2 in each of these clear cups. I'm just going to drop them in and let it do what it do. Why not do 3? Okay. Of course, we're going to water them with just some tap water. And please like if you're interested in, hey baby, seeing what else we've got going in the flower and vegetable garden. And someone wants to say hello. We will mark these with tags. And that's our Swiss chard. And there she is. Hey, baby. All right. Baby kitten says hello.